Hi there, welcome to my ABC Dad.
My name is Craig and this here is
Elliot.
And today, what are we learning?
Number 5.
We're going to be learning number 5. So we hope you join us for that and let's get started! Okay, so here is the number 5 worksheet. If you'd like to download and have a go with us, then please visit www.mybcdad.com. For each of these number pictures, I'm going to show you an example of what's happening, and then I'll ask you to choose which number picture is the best fit for that example. Then you can choose a number sentence that you think helps describe what's happening in the picture best. So here comes the first example. We start with how many hazelnuts?
4.
Okay, and how many do I add to 4?
1.
And what does that equal?
5.
Okay, which one of those number pictures would you say is the best fit? Let's put that right beside so that we can see. So what's happening in that picture?
There's 4 and then 1.
1. And how many will there be altogether?
5.
5. So which one of these number sentences is the best at describing this number picture? That one there, I agree. And now here comes the next example. So how many do we start with this time?
6.
And how could you check to make sure that that equals 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and watch what happens. How many did I take away?
1,
And how many are still left?
5.
Okay, so which picture best describes what I just did there in that example?
This one.
I agree. Which number sentence best describes what is happening in that picture? That one there, 6 take away 1 equals?
5.
In this example, we are going to start with this many.
10.
How do you know that's 10?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we start with 10, and how many do I take away?
5.
5. So which number picture best describes what just happened there? That one. And now which number sentence again describes what's happening best in that picture? It's this number?
10.
And what's happening?
Take away 5 equals 5.
Lovely. Okay, you glue that down. Okay, so 3 down and we have 5 more. Here comes the next one. How many do we start with in this example?
2.
And then how many are added to that 2?
3.
3. And how many are there all together now?
5.
So which number picture best describes? Okay, I agree. Which number sentence describes best what's happening there? That one there, and what does that say?
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Great. This one I'm actually going to start with an empty table. So how many are there right now?
0.
0. And what happens next?
5.
5. So we started with 0. I added 5. And what does that now equal?
5.
Okay, which picture best describes what's just happened there? I agree. Okay, now which number sentence would be the best fit? And what does that say? You read it for us.
0 plus 5 equals 5.
Lovely. How many hazelnuts do we start with in this example?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, okay. And then now what happens? What did I do?
You took away 4.
Okay, so we started with 9. I took away 4. How many are left there?
5.
Okay, which picture do you think best fits what I've just done? Lovely, I agree. Now, which number sentence that's left fits that?
9. Take away 4 equals 5.
We start with this many.
1.
1, and then this many comes to join, all right? Add that many.
4.
And what does that equal altogether?
5.
Which picture best describes what's happening? Which number sentence card should we use for that one? The takeaway or the add?
The add.
Why?
1. And then we add 4.
Lovely, I agree. Okay, so here comes the last example. We start with this many. How many are there altogether?
8.
8. How do you know? For sure. What could you do to check?
Count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, and now, what did I just do?
Took away 3,
So we started with 8. I took away 3. How many are left there?
5.
5. So what do you need to write on this last number sentence card? Okay, so Elliot has put his name on and the date. He is going to stick them, glue them on around his 5, and then he's going to color in his 5. Okay, so there you are, finished. I love your number 5, the colors you've used. That's a great pattern. Green and orange. Okay, so that concludes this video session today, where Elliot and I worked with which number? What number did we work with, Elliot?
Number 5.
Number 5. If you'd like to have a go, then please visit www.mybcdad.com where you can find this download and work on it yourself. We hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.